I've got for you today Montblanc's special pen produced to support UNICEF, so proceeds of the sale of the pen are going to UNICEF. I think the ratio is about 3% of the sales of these UNICEF branded items will go to UNICEF, with a minimum pledge of $1 million, I think, from Montblanc. Of course, UNICEF doesn't endorse Montblanc or any product, which is a disclaimer written, I think, on several different parts of the box and the supporting documents. So the pen comes with the pen comes with a booklet that goes into the details of the pen, the various other versions of this pen, and then the various other merchandise. So basically it's a catalog of what else you could buy in support of UNICEF from Montblanc, if you were so inclined. So this pen apparently comes with the barrel inscribed with 6 different characters, ranging from Korean, I think, Roman, Sanskrit, Chinese. What else is there? Here. So let's see, the Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, Korean, and Hindi, along with Roman. So those six different characters are inscribed on the pen as an homage to child's literacy. So this is the pen. Platinum top half with precious resin barrel and platinum tip. Quite an elegant pen, I think. I sort of like it. This one is a gift for a friend of mine. We've yet to get it. Just do a quick video before I send it off. It is topped with apparently a blue sapphire. There, you can see just a little bit of it. I'm not going to get any better look at that. As a nod to UNICEF's choice of color, blue. In the hand, the pen feels top heavy, which is rather unpleasant, I think. But if your hand is large enough, it'll probably rest quite nicely on the knuckle while you're writing, and it won't be an issue. So this is just a classic ballpoint pen. Twist and it comes out. I've always had an issue with this particular type of pen from Montblanc. You sort of twist it to open it, twist it to close it. You twist a bit too far and it starts to unscrew. And then you get that the lacquer, or sorry, the resin portion of the pen feels so cheap. So you sort of unscrew it here, and you've got this particular half, which is so light compared to the rest of the pen. It just feels unbalanced, out of proportion, and I don't know, not ideal for a rather expensive pen like this. Other than that, it looks quite good. The characters are quite clear and high quality. So it's definitely a worthy gift, I would say. Which is, I guess, why I chose it. Now, as it turns out, when you buy this pen, it doesn't come with the cartridges you need to the ballpoint cartridges. At least here in Singapore, it doesn't. So I've got to fork out another like $20 for the pen refills for your 1,000 Sing dollar pen. Rather strange. There you have it. The Montblanc. I think this is the Doue special issue in support of UNICEF. Comes out every 5 years, with the 6 first characters learned by kids around the world, as a hint to literacy for children, which is apparently what you're supporting when you support UNICEF. In North America, I guess the entire brand of UNICEF does not quite have the same prestige, has more notoriety in North America. In Europe, I think it's a bit more well known, and reputation is a bit less less tarnished than it is in North America. There you have it. This is what you'd expect if you buy one used. Nothing else in the box other than the UNICEF pamphlet, and then the service guide with the warranty at the back, or guarantee, and that's it.